Today we're going to unbox this great find of ours. It's about $500 and it's an Acer Aspire 5 15-inch laptop with a Ryzen 7 7730U CPU, 16 gigabytes of memory and a 512 gigabytes SSD. So let's take a look inside. The 7730 CPU is 8 cores, 16 thread CPU up to 4.5 gigahertz. So first of all, we have a small compartment with the adapter, 65 watts. And this is the laptop itself, a few leaflets inside and whatnot. You don't need this anymore. And this is the laptop. Acer, a small sign, a small brand, Acer Aspire. Let's see on the bottom. We see the cooling here. And here is the output for the cooling. On this side we have the power, USB-C, which you can also power the laptop through the USB-C, HDMI and USB 3. Here we have the lock, USB and headphones. Let's open it up. Ooh, we have fingerprint reader in the trackpad, and we also have a numpad, something we don't see very often on a laptop. Full HD screen, not the perfect, but for just a cheap laptop it should be fine. That's it for today, guys. Bye.